What's up YouTube? It's me Mikey and welcome back to Scratch. So we're gonna click create. And here we go. Okay, and now we're gonna go into costumes and we're gonna delete that costume and then just get rid of all the costume for that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into text, make sure it's sans serif. We're gonna do letter A, capitals. Gonna make it black, and then we will line it up onto the crosshair in the very center of the page. Yeah, like that. And it will just like click in, you could say, I guess. And then you're gonna name it capital A, corresponding to the letter that's on the screen. And now you're gonna go do B and you're gonna call it capital B, and you're gonna just keep doing this for all the letters up till Z, and then you're gonna just do it for all the lowercase letters up to Z as well. And then you're gonna do numbers 0 to 9 on your keyboard. So here's a quick time lapse. So, yep, I just finished the capital letters. Now I'm doing all the lowercase letters. Now I'm doing the numbers. And yeah, that's everything. Just make sure that you've got all the costumes, and now you can make a new block and call it print. Press the input button and call it text. And then what you're gonna do with that is you're gonna add in letter 1 of Apple, but we're gonna change that obviously to letter 1 of text. And then we're gonna change my variable name later, but for now we'll make a new list, not a new variable, a new list, and we're gonna call it letters. And then you're gonna go add letter 1 of text to letters. But that's not all. So now we're gonna rename the my variable to letter counter. And then we're gonna put that where the 1 is, and then we're gonna go repeat 10, but we're gonna change that to length of text. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna change letter counter. Okay, don't mind that. Just change letter counter by 1, and then when flag is clicked, we want to set letter counter to 0. And then I'm just calling my thing text engine because it's a text engine. So now we're gonna go high, but it only shows blank and then a H because we put letter counter on the bottom. So we're gonna put letter counter on the top and it shows high. But now both of them are showing, so we're gonna go delete all of letters and it shows high. But then you may be asking, how do we change the letters in the variable or the list into the costumes? Well, here's how. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move that over there, maybe set it to 200. Oh, that's way too big. Maybe 150, still a bit too big. 125, yeah, that will do. Yeah, and then we're gonna add a new costume, but it's just gonna be blank, and we're also just gonna call it blank. And then we're gonna go switch costume to blank. And then what we're gonna do after that is gonna go create clone of myself. And then when we start as a clone, or when the sprite with all the costumes in it starts as a clone, we're gonna click switch costume. Switch costume to letter counter text. Let's see what that does. And if we go print just high, and then you can see it only prints numbers, and it prints it on top of itself as well. So how do we fix this? Well, gonna get rid of that. We'll keep that there for now so we can use it later. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to item letter counter of letters, and we're gonna, oh wait, hold on, I didn't actually change the costume. Why is it not changing? Okay, well, hold on, give me a second. Okay, it doesn't want to work. Hold on, let me just try and fix it. There we go. Okay, so now we've got that, and we've got a lowercase h. But now the i's inside of the lowercase h, if you can't see. So we're gonna go move 20 steps, and now we're gonna go, but now it's just like that, so we're gonna put that in there instead. And yeah, we've got hi. And if we retry it, it's just blank. I'll show you guys a way to fix that in part 2. So we're gonna go reset text, no, just reset. And then we're gonna go boom, reset, and then what we're gonna do with reset is just delete all the letters, and it's just gonna be all of those stuff down here, which means we don't need the other delete all letters. Let's just, okay, and now it properly works. Capitals as well. But now it only is printing it twice, which is not what's supposed to happen, but I'll figure out a way to fix that and show you guys in part 2. I'm just gonna do it. Is very nice to meet you. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, oh wait, we have to do space. We're gonna go boom, and then we're gonna go boom, boom. Nothing's showing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just leave the spaces for now. We'll figure something out later. And then, hi, it's very nice to meet you. And you can see it's all bashed up in the corner. So we're just gonna move that to the side, and we're gonna put a go-to block there. And then it is, and you can see there's like a bunch of 9s where all the spaces would be, because there's no costume that's actually called a space. I'm not sure if you could do that in Scratch, but I'll figure out a way to do that. But as you can see, it's bunching up on the end. So I'm just gonna go meow, 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 see how many. Okay, that even goes too far, so we'll just try A. And as you can see, it is just a bunch of 9s. So it's gonna be 45. I don't know what I'm doing here. There we go. Okay, so it's 218. So we're gonna get an equals back out, and then we're gonna go 218, put the x position in there, and then if x position is more than 218, gonna go to, and then we're gonna put in change y by, let's say, -20. And we're gonna put it on top, and then we're gonna go this, and we'll go, we're just gonna go hi there, and then nice to meet you. And you can see it's just bunching up in that corner, so we're gonna swap it around. And just get rid of the forever, because then it works. Yeah, see, there we go. So, yeah, and then we're gonna call that costume just a space. And then we're gonna put a couple spaces there, and it's not working. Hold on, give me a second. If you put a dot there, you can see it says nice to meet you, but yeah, I don't know about that. Okay, so we're almost done. And as you can see, it actually finally works because we added the dot so tiny. But anyways, thanks for watching.